my life.
I'm going to seek you while I can find you. I'm going to call upon you while I can find you.
Amen.
Seek him. Seek for him. He'll come near to you. Yeah, he will.
Amen.
You can offer somebody, seek for the Lord.
Amen.
Your problems at home, seek for the Lord. Right? You in trouble, young man, young woman, seek for the Lord. He is that good all by himself. Can I get a witness? If you know that for yourself, just raise your hand and say, yes, he is. I know it for myself. I see it work in the history, yes. He's done something for my mother or my father. He's done something for my church. I can seek the Lord, and I know that he will find me. I can give him thanks and praise because he's worthy, he's worthy, he's worthy to be praised. All week long by saying, I don't know what's going to happen, I don't know what's going to take place tomorrow, but I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue to seek the Lord. They didn't let me go see my grandbaby, but I'm going to still seek the Lord. Maybe in 2 weeks I'll be able to go see my grandbaby. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm going to continue